I'm showing now the proof, the theorem, okay, how to prove it. First theorem is the opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. So the opposite sides, the property of parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal in length. That one you have to prove. For proof, first of all you have to draw a parallelogram, okay. So you have to write down in all the theorem. You remember there are 4 steps are there. First steps, what is the diagram. Second step, the construction, what you have to construct for the proof. Third step, what you have to prove, that one you have to mention. And fourth step, the proof, how you have to prove this theorem. So 4 steps are there, and every steps there are marks, okay. So remember this one. So here in this theorem, how can you prove it? First of all, you have to draw the diagram, that is the parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Next is construction. A diagonal AC is drawn. AC drawn. We have drawn the diagonal AC, okay. Then third step, what you have to prove? We have to prove that AD equal to BC and AB equal to DC, okay. Next, when you draw the diagonal, now you see 2 triangles are there. Now you have to prove, first of all, you have to prove these 2 triangle are congruent, okay. So what you find from the triangles? So from triangle ABC and ADC, what you find? You see this angle BAC equal to angle DCA. Why? Because these 2 angles are alternate interior angle. Clear? Second one, from the diagonal, from the diagram you see angle DAC equal to angle BCA. That means this angle and this angle, both the angles are equal. Why? Reasons are same, interior alternate angle, okay. Another one, AC is common side of the triangle, this one and this one. So AC equal to AC, that one is common. So 3 criteria we already found. What? This angle, then side, then angle. So by angle, side, angle, these 2 triangles are congruent. So when these 2 triangles are congruent, then obviously you can say that the opposite sides are equal. From where? By CPCT. Now what is CPCT? Congruent part of corresponding part of congruent triangle. Why? Because in the congruent triangles, all the sides and all the angles are equal. So at first you prove these 2 triangles are congruent, so obviously the other sides and the angles also equal. So you, like that, you can prove this theorem, okay. Second theorem, you see the opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure, okay. Etia ki proof koribo lagibo, agortu proof korisa ki opposite sides are equal. Etia proof koribo lagibo opposite angles are equal, okay. Same, this proof also same as this one. Clear? Iman loike proof koriba. That is, these 2 triangles are congruent. After that, what you can say, that from the diagram, this angle equal to this angle. Why? By CPCT. Clear? Angle B equal to angle D, okay, from this diagram. After that, you write down, similarly, we can prove that angle A equal to angle C, okay. So enake proof korile tomar eitu proof hoi jabo, same proof, okay. Etia iate side to proof korisa, ইয়াতে এইটো থিওৰামত কি প্ৰুফ কৰিবা the angles are equal clear acha third theorem is theorem 3 what is the theorem the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Now what is supplementary? Supplementary angle is supplementary means the sum of two angle is 180 degree. That is the supplementary angle. So this proof also similar to the first one. Okay. You have to in these types of proofs always you use the theory of the transversal line. Okay. So in this theorem ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Now see if you take AD parallel BC. Okay. In this diagram AD parallel BC and AB is the transversal line. Then what you can say this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. Okay, so here first of all you write down ABCD is a parallelogram. Here no need the construction part क्योंकि construction part करना नहीं है ठीक है. So এটো দৰকাৰ নাই construction part. তাৰপিছত তুমি লিখিবা কি proof কৰিব লাগিব তোমাৰ proof কৰিব লাগিব কি the adjacent angles are supplementary that one you have to prove. এতিয়া proof partত কি লিখিবা তুমি লিখিবা AD parallel BC and AB is transversal. Okay, therefore ki pala if this line is transversal then what you find angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Why this angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree? You have to write down the reason. This is very important to write the reason. Okay. The third property of transversal line ki asile interior angle of the same side of transversal line is supplementary. This is the third property of transversal line. From that property, you can write down angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So similarly, you can find angle B plus angle C equal to also 180 degree. Reason is same. So from here, you can write down this theorem. Therefore, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So this is the proof. Okay. Next theorem is কি আসিলে next to তোমার আসিলে the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. This is your theorem. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. এইটো theorem কেনেকে proof কৰিবা এটা parallelogram draw কৰিবা ঠিক আছে. Okay. Now এতিয়া ইয়াতে parallelogram ধৰা ABCD. In this case the construction is you have to draw both the diagonal. Okay. Construction part is this one. The diagonal AC and BD are drawn. তাৰপিছত কি লিখিবা কি proof কৰিব লাগিব? We have to prove that The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisect? Bisect meaning is equally divide kora. So if it is bisect, then what you have to prove? If this intersecting point is O, then you have to prove AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. This one you have to prove. Etu tomar proof koribo lagibo. Etia proof part ot ki likhiba? Proof. How you have to prove it? For this one, you have to take the triangle AOB, this one and this one, opposite to triangle you have to take. You can take this one and this one also. Okay? এতিয়া তুমি এইটো দুটা triangle লৈ কেনে এতিয়া proof কৰিবা কি এই দুটা triangle congruent হয় নে নাই. First proof কৰিব লাগিব এই দুটা congruent. Okay? So, in triangle AOB and COD, from these two triangles, what you can find out to prove these two triangles are congruent? What you find? One, you see this equal to this. Why? Eta paba BAC equal to angle DCA. Reason is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Because alternate interior angles always equal. Okay. Second one, you find this equal to this. Okay. This angle equal to this angle. Why? Reason is same. Angle ABD equal to angle CDB. Reason is same. Alternate interior angle. Another one is what? This equal to this. Okay. So angle BOA equal to angle COD. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Vertically opposite angle. So what you find? Vertically opposite angle. So these three criteria you already find out. Okay. So therefore triangle AOB congruent to the triangle COD by angle. Tinta angle pala. So like that you can prove it. Another way, you see this one already you find out. Okay, these two angle. Clear? Another, you see this equal to this. This one you can write down. Why? Because opposite angle of opposite side of parallelogram. Because you know this is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. So another, in place of this one, vertically opposite jot likhisa, etur thai tumi aru eta criteria likhibo pariba, hetu ki AB equal to CD. Clear? Because what is the reason? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Tetia etu kuntu criteria thabo? Angle, side, angle. So by angle, side, angle, you can prove these two triangles are congruent. So whenever you find these two triangles are congruent, so obviously you can write down these sides also equal. Therefore AO equal to CO and these two sides also the side of the triangle. BO equal to DO by CPCD. So this one you proved. But the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. Next proof is the আৰু এটা থিয়ৰাম আছিলে the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. The diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Okay, this one you have to prove. That means the diagonals of a rectangle, this is a property. এটা rectangular diagonal দুটার length equal হয়, that one you have to prove. For this proof you take the triangle, this one, ধরা into A B C D. Okay, another one you take the triangle, this one A B C. Proof to keneke koriba? First you have to write down A B C D is a rectangle, because in the theorem it is given rectangle, so you have to take this one as rectangle. And what are the property of a rectangle? The angles are 90 degree, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so already you know, because it is a rectangle. Etia ki proof koribo lagibo? The diagonals are equal. So AC is equal to BD, that one you have to prove. So here, which two triangle you have to take? You have to take this one. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Now these two triangle you have to prove it is a congruent triangle. So first of all you have to see what you find the criteria. To fill up the criteria, you find, see, AB equal to this one, AD. AB equal to AB. Why? It is common. Okay, because AB is the side of both the triangle. Which two triangle? One is ABD, another is ABC. So AB equal to AB, it is common. This side you find it is common. Okay, then you can write down BC equal to AD, opposite side of rectangle, because the opposite sides are equal of a rectangle. So what you find? This equal to this. Another one is this angle equal to this angle. Why? Angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Why? This is a rectangle, so all the angles is 90 degree. So angle A equal to angle B, you find it is 90 degree. So three criteria you already find out. So therefore triangle ABD congruent to the triangle ABC. What is the, by which criteria you see? Side, angle, side. By side, angle, side. These two triangle are congruent. Therefore, these two sides also equal. Therefore, AC equal to BD by CPCT. So, what you proved? The diagonals are equal. So, this is your proof. Okay. Now see, this exercise. Here in this exercise you have to apply all the criteria of the quadrilateral. The properties what is given in the last of this chapter, that properties you have to learn. Okay, see this diagram. Here this angle is given, you have to find this other three angle. So you have to use the properties. So angle B is given, this is a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, you know opposite angles are equal. So since angle B is 100 degree, so obviously angle D, that means Y, it is also 100 degree. Okay, because opposite angles are equal of a parallelogram. Clear? So first you find out Y, because the relation Y and 100, the relation between angle D and angle B you can find out because opposite angles are equal. Also you can find another relation, this one and this one, or this one and this one. Why? Because these are adjacent angles of parallelogram, and adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So x plus 100 equal to 180 degree, or you can find z plus 100 is also 180 degree, because these two angles also supplementary angle. Clear? These two angles are adjacent angle of a parallelogram. So you have to find the relation between the angles. एक एंगल এটা এংগেলৰ লগত বেলেগ এটা এংগেলৰ কি ৰিলেশন আছে হেতু আগতে চাই পেলে বাকি কেটাৰ এংগেল উলাব লাগিব. Okay, see this one, this angle is given, you can find out the angle, this one, you can find out this one also, because these are supplementary angle, adjacent angles are supplementary. Clear? So you can find this one and this one. X के साथ इसका रिलेशन है, एटूर लगत एटूर रिलेशन है, क्योंकि these are corresponding angle and corresponding angles are equal. Or you can find out this angle also, because this and this one is opposite angle, so this angle also 50 degree. Clear? Next you can find a relation between these two angles, because these two angles are linear pair angle. So there are several relations between the angles, so you can apply anything whatever you learn till now. Okay, এতিয়ালৈকে যিমানখিনি property শিকিছা সিমানখিনি apply কৰিলে হ'ল, যিকোনো এটা apply কৰিলেই হ'ল. Okay, so this one. Okay, these also the diagrams, these all are parallelogram, you have to apply the properties of parallelogram. Okay.